Identifying a real rough diamond at home may seem difficult, especially because rough diamonds don't sparkle like polished ones. However, several simple tests can help you distinguish a genuine stone from a fake. While these methods are not as accurate as professional gemstone testing, they can still give you strong indications. Number 1. Check the hardness. Scratch test carefully. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. A real diamond can scratch glass, quartz, and even metals. How to do it? Choose a piece of strong glass or quartz. Try scratching it with the rough stone. Results: real, the diamond leaves a clear scratch mark. Fake, the stone will not scratch the surface or will get damaged itself. Be careful, this test can damage weaker stones but won't harm a real diamond. 2. Examine the crystal structure. Rough diamonds have unique natural shapes and edges. Real rough diamonds often appear octahedral, 8-sided, cubic, with sharp edges, greasy or oily on the surface, transparent to slightly yellow or brown. Fake stones, like quartz or glass, usually have smooth, rounded edges, obvious bubbles inside, a shiny, reflective appearance uncommon in raw diamonds. Number 3. Fog test, breath test. Diamonds do not hold heat. How to test? Breathe warm air on the stone like fogging a mirror. Results: real, fog disappears instantly, 1 second. Fake, fog stays for 3 to 5 seconds before clearing. Number 4. Water density test. Diamonds have a high density. How to test? Fill a glass with water. Drop the stone inside. Results: real, sinks immediately. Fake, may float or sink slowly depending on the material. 5. Transparency test. A real diamond bends light strongly. How to test? Place the stone on text or a line on paper. Results: real, you cannot read the text through it. Fake, text or line will appear clearly or slightly visible. Number 6. UV light blacklight test. Most diamonds glow under UV light. Results: real, often glows blue, not always. Fake, no glow or glows different colours like green, red or yellow. Note: some real diamonds do not fluoresce, so this test alone is not enough. 7. Thermal shock test. Diamonds can withstand extreme temperature changes. How to do it? Heat the stone with a lighter flame for 10 to 15 seconds. Immediately drop it into cold water. Results: real, no crack, no damage. Fake, may crack, break or shatter, especially quartz or glass. Be very cautious doing this test. 8. Check for inclusions. Real diamonds usually contain natural imperfections. Signs of real rough diamond: tiny black spots, carbon, small cracks, feather inclusions, grain lines. Fake stones, very clear, perfect without inclusions, contain bubbles, especially glass. These home tests can help you identify whether your rough stone is likely real or fake, but only a gemologist with professional tools can give a 100% confirmation using thermal conductivity testers, electronic diamond testers, X-ray scanning. If the results of multiple home tests indicate real, you should take the stone to a trusted jeweler or gemologist for final verification.